Hi, today in front of me LG Q70 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. First, let's open the Play Store app and then in the search pool enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. Now just select one from these available applications on your device, which icon you want to change. For example, let's use the settings one. Here you can see the library with the folders with just different available icons. You can use these icons. Also, you can use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from these available icons here. Tap then on the right upper corner to OK button. Now we should skip these videos. Now just click to auto add. We can change next icon by the same way or go to the desktop. So now let's see the new settings icon and our original regular settings icon, so we can see here the difference. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.